Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll, and today I come to you with another Splash of Valentine's Day with the pinks and the reds and two dolls that I don't normally show. And they usually stay hidden in my closet, and it's time for them to make their debut and to be seen in public. I rarely show these two, and yet they may be on the low end of dolls. I still think very high of them myself. And I need to start showing them more often. Well, who do we have before us here? Well, the little toddler in the light pink outfit, knitted outfit, she's ready to go outside. So to keep her on the table, that entertained her. So anyways, she wants to go and play in the snow. But anyhow, she's an Eegee doll from 1978. And the doll behind her doesn't come far from that age either. I think she's a 1970, maybe 80s doll. But she is a walking doll. If you were to hold her hand, she will walk towards you. And both these dolls are kind of like competition dolls down the road that kind of competed against the Patty Play Pal family. A lot of these big dolls, a lot of companies came in and made these great big dolls, big babies and everything, and competed against that because why? There's a slice of money in it for them. But at the same time, it also gave parents options to what they could afford, and give a little girl a doll in her arms, and yet mom and dad were happy because it didn't break the bank, maybe because they were tight, or just that's the doll that the little girl fell in love with. It doesn't have to always be about what drove the money factor. It could also be what the little girl fell into her eyes and her love went towards, and the mama said or papa said, get that doll for her for Christmas. Well, there you go. But I think these dolls are beautiful, even when they're all dressed up. Now, you'll see a tag hanging from the red dress, and just to show you, I dress my dolls 9 out of 10 times from the thrift store. There's a tag on there that says Goodwill, $2. And I'll zoom up on that. Let's go right up to that tag, and you can see it says $2 right there. Let me pull that tag. Oh, I don't want them to fall. There we go. But it's a $2 tag, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says $2 on the bottom. Now, I bought that dress some time ago, before all the prices went up in the world. So what it would go today, I'm not sure, maybe a $2.50. But anyways, this is what I'm talking about. You don't have to dress your dolls expensive to make them look wonderful. Thrift stores are wonderful places to get your clothing from if you have big dolls like this that can wear them. And so if you want to invest in some larger size dolls, remember, these clothes look fabulous on them, and it shows so well on them, even right down to the fluffy little shoes down below. Those also came from the thrift store. So the hats, everything, the whole wool outfit I got from a thrift store. I actually forgot I even owned it till I started going through my woolies, and there, lo and behold, this nice little knit outfit sat there, and I went, oh my goodness, I have the perfect little girl that can go into that beautiful pink little outfit and to be seen by the world. And the world of dolls. And I'll tell you, it just brought her to life. She was just sitting in her underwear, and that's not right. She needs to be dressed up and showing off and look pretty. I think they both look fabulous. And I hope you're having a great weekend, everybody, and that you're enjoying your dolls. You're getting your dolls out, you're dressing them up, getting them ready out of their Christmas attire, putting on their woolies, or maybe putting on a Valentine outfit as well, getting ready for Valentine's Day. This Tuesday, it'll mark a month away from Valentine's Day. It's a-coming, people. We can't fight it. The next holiday is on its way. So we have no choice but to embrace it. But anyways, I love these holidays and these cold months that were cold days, actually. I don't know, taking a month at a time is too big for me. Day by day here, and when we have all this wonderful snow around us. I love my winters. I don't know what I would do without my winter. I love my 4 seasons, and though there are times I wish to be in a climate where it's just warm all the time, then I would wish for my snow at the same time. So I'm a 4-season gal. But anyways, yes, these wonderful dolls also are lovely to dress for the 4 seasons and for all the special holidays that come throughout the year. So I hope you enjoy what you see here. I think they're fabulous. I think they're beautiful. And the little gal in the, like I said, she's an Eegee doll. The bigger girl, she's a no-name doll. She has no name written on her or stamped on her. And yes, they're wonderful dolls. But the only problem with these big dolls is, and we all know this, is called room. Where do we put them in the meantime? Once we show them, we have to have a place where to sit them, and that can be an issue and a problem. But that's why I don't invest too much into them, because of their size. I have a lot of big dolls, and they have to have room. They have to have a place where to sit. And if they don't, then you're having a problem. So I don't invest too much in these big dolls, because I'm waiting. There are some big dolls I want, but they have to have a room, a special place, a room. And once I own a doll, I have a problem giving up that doll. So I prefer not to be buying too many big dolls now, and wait for the ones that fall in my pathway and ones that are on my heartstring, the ones I really want to own. But these two here, the little gal in the light pink was gifted to me from a lady named Janet in Iowa. The other one I got from an ad in the paper. And I got 3 of them for a very small price. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you're getting your dolls ready for Valentine's Day. Doesn't have to be fast. I'm taking it slow. 1 or 2 dolls at a time, maybe 3, and slowly I will get there. And I'm not going to dress them all up for Valentine's Day, just a few. And I'm trying to look for those that are just maybe not been seen for a while, and that need to be seen. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I instilled some excitement for Valentine's Day. I know we just crawled out of Christmas. It's hard to jump into that next holiday, but it's a coming. So anyways, have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your Sunday. And if you're working, I hope it passes really fast for you. And for those that are sitting at home, I hope it's the longest day before the work week begins again. All right. Have a great day, everybody. We'll be talking to you again really soon. And have a great night. No, it's daytime. Great day. Bye-bye.